guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. Today we have another fabulous position. This position is from Allstate. I know I did Allstate in the past, but this position is absolutely new. They just posted it yesterday. Get on top of this. One of my subscribers, they emailed me, and one of the jobs that I put out last week, they used the resume kit. They applied for that job within 10 minutes, you guys. That is how easy the resume kit is. They applied for the job, got the resume kit, applied for the job, and yes, you guys, they got an interview and they actually got an offer. So that lets me know that Allstate is hiring, you guys. They are hiring in a big way, and most of their jobs have $1,000 sign-on bonus. You guys, get the resume kit. Apply for the jobs that I'm putting out today so that you guys can get your interview and so that you guys can get hired. He did the interview online, you guys. He didn't even have to show up. He did the interview online. Okay, so before we get into this video, let's get to my shout outs. Jamal W., he got an offer for $102,000. Cynthia P., she got one for $145,000. Go girl. And Miss Deborah R., $163,000, you guys. They used the resume kit because the resume kit is absolutely fabulous. It is easy. It is literally 10 minutes, you guys. And you're able to create a new resume for yourself. And if you need help with the resume, book a rewrite session. I'm literally open every Wednesday and Thursday. Book that rewrite session because that rewrite session, I'm going to get you together with your resume so that you can apply for these jobs, you guys. And like I said, I want this for you. I want you to get a really good high-paying job now because we are literally having an economic storm. Those student loans, you guys, are going to be resuming shortly. You need a really good high-paying job to survive this. So definitely get the resume kit. And if you need help with this or any other job, book a resume rewrite session. Okay, so let's get right into this position right now. But before we do, I have another opportunity. And since you guys know that I'm loving Allstate right now, we're going to go into another one of their positions. So this is the ENT, the Customer Service Specialist. So this Customer Service Specialist role, this role actually pays $37 per hour, you guys. This role is another fully remote job. You have full benefits on this job, you guys. No degree required, but this one does not have that $1,000 sign-on bonus. So let's get right into the job. Like I said, I am loving Allstate. You guys, get the resume kit and literally apply within 10 minutes. One of my subscribers followed that advice and he got hired for the job at Allstate. So they are hiring, and they're hiring really bad, you guys. Okay, so let's get right into this position. Into the job summary for this. So it says the position is responsible for responding to basic and complex telephone, email, chat, fax inquiries from internal and external customers, may act as an intermediary between the customer and the insurance company, resolve insurance complaints and concerns by applying expertise and knowledge of the company's concepts, policies, and procedures, resolve escalated issues, including calls, as well as disseminating information to the team. This position will provide continuous training and support to the employees in the department. Let's go to key responsibilities now. It says answers complex customer inquiries and respond to a high volume of complex internal and external customers' inquiries in a professional manner. So basically, if a customer has a question or anything, you would be the one who responds to that question. If they have any problem, it's okay, let's go to resolves complex issues using judgment, decision making, de-escalation, and problem solving. So you're going to be the one that solves the problem if that customer has any problems, you guys. And like I said, this is a wonderful position if you have had any customer service experience. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you do these things anyway. So that's why I say get that resume kit, because that resume kit has all the verbiage that you need to apply for this job and to land this job. Okay, it says may act as a liaison to other departments where follow-up will be required, provides training, mentoring to team member and guiding reps on specific steps. It says assist with phone or quality coaching as well as new hire training. Assist coordinates leadership team with ongoing products as needed and identifies opportunity areas and makes recommendations to the leadership team. Universally trained on all carrier products, policies, must have the ability to interpret a variety of policies, rules, regulation, and perform a full range of customer service duties. All right, you guys. And like I said, you do this on a regular basis anyway. If you are a stay-at-home mom, if you have kids, you're doing all of these things. You just don't know how to relate them to a resume. Get the resume kit or book a call, and we will sit down and tailor your resume to this or any other job that I have on my site. Okay, education and experience. High school degree or equivalent insurance. This has no education requirement. It says 2 years experience in a customer service call center, insurance agency, or brokerage required. So you do have to have some type of customer service experience. But like I said, we can literally, if you book a call, we can literally rewrite your resume. Even if you do not have that experience, we can rewrite your resume in a way that states that you do. And like I said, you guys, the resume kit is so easy. Book a call or get the DIY kit because it has all of this verbiage. Okay, functional skills. Strong oral and written communication skills, identifies and resolves problems, proficient in Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel, internet proficiency. Must be able to work in a fast-paced environment, be a quick learner, and possess the ability to multitask. Must possess advanced problem-solving skills, ability to serve as a role model, mentor, coach, and coach new employees. Compensation offered for this, guys, your compensation is $78,000, you guys. Almost $79,000 for this position. Guys, now let's get into the job that you guys came here for. So this is a position, so they have a represented adjuster. This position is 100% remote, you guys. This position makes $45 per hour, you guys. $45 per hour. Completely remote, almost no education required, no degree. This has $1,000 sign-on bonus. You guys, they are hiring. They just posted this job 2 days ago. If you get the resume kit, you guys, you can apply for this job within 10 minutes. Use all the terms and phrases that I give you on the resume kit and in your templates and in your cover letters. Those are all provided for you in the resume kit, you guys. They are hiring so bad. And like I said, one of my subs watched my video, he got the kit and he did it, you guys. This is real. Amazon is definitely hiring. So let's get into this position right now. So we're going to dive into the summary. It says this job is responsible for investigating moderately complex and occasionally complex claims when an attorney is representing the injured party, which may include 1, uninsured or underinsured motorist claims in single or multi-car accidents, injury, casualty, soft tissue, and representing moderate or major claims. The individual may also handle moderately complex and occasionally complex commercial property liability claims. The individual takes recorded statements, resolves loss of use claims, makes payments to appropriate parties, and negotiate and settles or refers bodily injury issues that cannot be resolved. So basically, this is a little bit more complex, but I do not want you guys, I'm gonna say it again, I do not want you guys counting yourself out of this job. You can definitely do it. Get that resume kit, because that resume kit works. It works, you guys. That resume kit will help you create a professional, top tier resume, you guys. It works. All right, so let's get to key responsibilities for this. Wait, before we do, it says this role is for a specialty team handling uninsured motorists or uninsured motorist bodily injury claims specific to the state of Louisiana. So you have to have some knowledge about how the state of Louisiana works when they do their claims. But you guys, hey, apply for this job. Okay, let's get down to the key responsibilities. It says researches and responds to complex customer communications, summarizes documents and enters into claim system notes, determines claim value, documents a claim files with notes, evaluation, and decision-making processes, determines and examines minimum coverage limits in complex claims involving single or multiple complainants, researches, responds, or participates in Department of Insurance complaints or investigation, sets initial reserves, updates reserves, document rationale and claim summary notes, negotiates and settle claims in accordance with business unit best practices, reviews medical reports in preparation for claims settlement evaluation. You guys, there is nothing on there. There is nothing in the key responsibilities that should keep you from applying for this job. The title makes the job look harder than it actually is. It is not. If you get that resume kit, because it has all of the keywords and phrases that you need, this is nothing but a customer service job. That's it. This is nothing but a customer service job, and the resume kit has those customer service keywords and phrases on there. Get that kit and apply for this job. Okay, it says remote home-based work. It says this position is a permanent remote home-based role. Your home office does not need to be near an Allstate office, but it does need to be in the United States. This position is not available for California, Alaska, or Hawaii residents. It says when you work from home, you will need a home office or someplace free of distractions. Minimum internet bandwidth of 50, and then appropriate work surface seating. Okay. What will Allstate provide? It says a connectivity reimbursement. $80 per month. But if you go above that, you guys, you will see that they provide your computer. They have a technology bundle that includes all the equipment that you need. You're going to get a laptop, monitors, headset, keyboard, mouse, everything. So you do not have to have a computer or anything for this job. You guys, apply for this job. Use that resume kit. Grab this job off of the website. It's too good to let go. Okay, it says bachelor's degree or experience or equivalent experience, Louisiana handling experience, preferred, not required. Preferred and not required. It says 3 to 5 years of overall claim handling experience. Preferred, you guys, not required. And it says 1 to 2 years of experience handling representing bodily claim industry. Preferred. It says you have to apply broad knowledge of insurance policies, coverage, and regulation. Applies broad knowledge of claim process, policies, procedures. It says apply broad knowledge of analytical procedures to reconcile, manipulate, and recognize patterns of data. Applies broad knowledge of problem solving and preparation of reports for analysis. Applies broad negotiation. Applies broad knowledge of training, facilitation, and coaching skills. Ability to investigate, evaluate, negotiate, and settle complex claims. All of that is on my resume kit. every last word that you see in functional skills, because this is a skills job and they are looking for people with the skills. Every last one of those skills that are listed here, they are listed in my resume, you guys. Get the resume kit. Get the kit because it has all of this in there. Okay, let's go to job qualifications now. Okay, let's get down to job qualifications. It says we want to utilize your customer service skills, and those skills are in the resume kit. All of those skills are in a resume kit. And if you need to book a call for this job, book it today. I still have availability today so we can get this resume out for you guys. You have a strong desire to make a difference through compassionate customer service. You are willing to work flexible hours or weekends. You can apply your knowledge of insurance policies, coverage, and regulations to claim processes. You can apply industry knowledge to support the business unit. You are empathetic, upbeat, and a friendly self-starter. You are excited about problem solving and coming up with creative solutions. You are organized and able to multitask in a fast-paced environment. You are known for clear communication, both written and verbal. You have a bachelor's degree and or experience. Being bilingual or having prior military experience is a plus. You guys better get that resume kit because that resume kit has everything that you need. Literally, you can write you a new resume and apply for this job within 10 minutes. That is how easy it is. They are asking for skills in this. That's the only thing that they are asking for. They are asking for skills at this job. And it makes $45 per hour. They will purchase you a new computer. You do not have to have your own computer. You guys, get the resume kit. Use the skills on there to apply for this job. Down to what they're going to offer you. It says a culture of learning where you can expect to develop fundamental skills, leadership teams. That's all well and good, but let's get down to the nitty-gritty. It says flexible work arrangements, a culture which you could dress for your day, recognition and advancement opportunities, paid time off, 401k and pension, medical, dental, vision coverage. You can see all of Allstate benefits at Allstate Good Life. Great. This job pays up to $94,625. You guys get the resume kit. Do your resume in 10 minutes. Grab this job off of the site. It has $1,000 sign-on bonus. This is the job for you if you have been looking for a very long time. This is a very good job, and this job is SAM approved. All right, you guys, get the resume kit if you need to. Book a call, like, and follow. Bye.